In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in the margins in Google Docs, a handy trick for adding notes or comments to your documents. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you typically use. Once you've got that open, head over to the address bar at the top of your browser and type in google.com. Hit enter, and you should be transported to Google's homepage. Now, in the top right corner, you should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Google account, you'll simply need to enter your email address in the field provided. Ensure you type it in correctly to avoid any disruptions. Once you've entered your email, click the next button. After that, it's time to enter your password. Remember to keep your password private to protect your account. After typing in your password, click next once more. With that done, you should now be logged into your Google account. Look towards the upper right side of the page where you'll find a small grid or box symbol. This is your app launcher. Click on it and it will present you with a variety of options. From these options, select Google Docs. This will take you to your Google Docs homepage here. You'll either create a new document or open the document you would like to edit. Once your selected document has opened on your screen, it's time to start the process of writing in the margins. To do this, look to the top of your document where the toolbar is and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to Drawing and select New. This will open up a new drawing window. Inside this window, you'll need to find and click on an icon that resembles a text box. It's usually a square icon with a T inside it. Once you select this icon, draw a box within the blank space by clicking and dragging your mouse. This box can be resized to suit your needs. After you have drawn the box, click inside it and type your note or comment. You can adjust the font style and size as needed to make it stand out. Once you're finished typing, look to the top right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. This will insert your note into the document. Finally, click on the inserted drawing and drag it to your desired position within the margin. You might have to adjust the page setup, such as the margins, to ensure there's enough space if the message isn't fitting right. And there you have it. You've successfully added notes in the margins of your Google Doc. This trick is simple, yet effective for enhancing your documents with extra insights or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial makes your Google Docs experience even better.